Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, CD changer, air conditioning, hands-free link system, cruise control, auto headlight on/off, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, telescopic steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.
I'm Mike Murphy, owner of Mike Murphy Ford. I appreciate you visiting our website and hope you find it helpful. We would be glad to answer any of your questions, send you more photos, arrange a test drive, arrange financing. Just let us know how we can help. We get it. Price House Cars.